friends, welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make ginger rasam. This is a very healthy and immunity boosting recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mortar and pestle, add 1 teaspoon of peppercorns and a teaspoon of jeera. Grind this to a fine powder. To this, add 10 garlic pods, few curry leaves and 1 green chili. Crush them well. Keep this ready. Now let's start the preparation. Heat a mud pot. To this, add a teaspoon of oil. When the oil is nice and hot, add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, few curry leaves, 2 dried red chilies. I've taken a small piece of ginger, crush it and then add it to the oil, and a pinch of asafoetida. Give it a quick mix. Then add the crushed ingredients, 2 ripe tomatoes finely chopped, a teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well until the tomato turns mashy. Now the tomato is cooked well, so go ahead and add 1/2 cup of tamarind juice and 2 cups of water. Mix it well and allow it to come to a boil. Once it starts to boil, off the flame and sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious ginger rasam is ready. Very healthy and definitely an immunity boosting recipe. Serve it nice and hot with some steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Do try this ginger rasam recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.